Synthesis of the article reflects the idea. The story concerns parents developed by Miss Anjali in Thongdang Child Development Center ราชชุมพลภักดีชุมพล District ชัยภูมิ Article synthesis reflection records the synthetic event or territory diary. The Child Development Center, both in and outside the classroom, and to save issue in Child Development Center as follows. Number 1. Issue. Number 1. Parents send their children do not let children to teachers. Number 2. Parents to send their children regularly. Number 3. Parents can sneak around the fence. Number 4. Teachers, administrators, parents were not thorough and lack of confidence in institutions. Each problem has a cause and a way to help the cause of the problem. Number 2. Because of problem. Number 1. Parents love their children is concerns the poor children. Number 2. Parents are not confident that teachers will have many children. Number 3. Parents have not confidence in the institutions. Number 4. To teach their children in each family, there will be different way, whether it's about a child, male parents, including the environment in community where resident. Number 3. Chapel judging. Number 1. The behavior of parents not to indulge children by speaking with parents like them. This is very no measures to guard my children or leave it to their car of teacher showroom and so on, and provide insight to parents about really childhood development and learning, counseling or information about parenting or child behavior, workshops and publications to educate parents about parenting, promote children's learning at appropriate classes and books to increase knowledge about promoting all aspects of children to parents. Number 2. Speaking comparative example as a new parents orientation day may be the parents of children who experience a lot. The children cry every day for 3 months and it's come to pass every day of absence to his past experience to other parents listen and so on. The problem most parents have a high tolerance with their children and then their children came to her cry Some parents may think their children never see teachers, never say it is normal for children to cry. And coming from a community of different environments, the habit of each child must be different. The teachers must enroll each student to be good in the future of the nation future. Thank you.